And being a Jeep, there's snow in the back, obviously. But alright, that's no big deal. Got some gloves off. We're going, okay, what should we get? Third gear. Third gear is a good gear to go in for snow drifting. Less chat, more driving. I'm not going to the pond. That's not gonna happen. But it's not bank. That's gone. Oh, drifting. Mistakes, I hate them that much. And 3, 2, 1, go! No climb. Slow and steady crawl out. Yeah, we're not crawling, but we're doing laps. Ruts though, hard work. Uh-oh. We're drifting. I think I'm getting stuck too at the same time, so that's might be out of gas, but yeah, pretty good though. Because the gas gauge does not work, so that's why I'm kind of pretty good. Can't see in the back. Pretty good thing, but not too good. I might want to wash it now. Take all the snow off so it doesn't melt inside the barn. Inside. It's going to have to sit right here all winter. One more time. I'm going to call it quits here. no tripod left behind. I can open a window, give you outside view. And now I'm first gear, so I'm just good. Alright, I got it all washed. For now, that's enough. Got all the snow off, I got in the snow. Engine bay's clean, it's not soapy clean, but it's mud off and snow's off. There's the new battery I got installed. It's pretty clean now. No body left. We'll see what happens in the spring. When the snow's all gone, all the water's dried off. We'll see what's left. That one's still there. And on this side, let's see on this side is. Same deal, same exact different side but different mount. That one battery's gone too. It's hard to tell. I think it's separated. There's the format. I try my best to get some all the snow off underneath the trans. Underneath all that. But for now, and there's still like mud there. Yeah, I'm gonna get some snow in there anyway on the way up there, so it's